Hello guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to upload a video on CapCut. So to do this is pretty simple. So here in CapCut, basically, you can go to your templates where actually you will have the option to apply as a content creator. So once you have went here and search in templates, there's going to be the all and commercial image. So it's usually going to be located here in the top where it will say apply for being a content creator. Unfortunately for me, I'm not part of that few people because here in CapCut they will monitor you whether you're a good content creator where you create a lot of videos. So unfortunately that's not me, but it will show up once you have been active in the community. So that is how you upload a video here in CapCut. So that's the only way to be a template creator. There's gonna be some requirements, of course, for this to happen. So there you go, guys. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.